Tower Bridge, one of London's most iconic landmarks, stands as a testament to the city's rich history and engineering prowess, captivating millions of tourists each year who flock to its majestic structure to soak in its grandeur and experience the vibrant pulse of the Thames. Constructed between 1886 and 1894, the bridge's combination of Victorian Gothic style and functional engineering makes it a unique architectural marvel, blending aesthetics with purpose. Tourists from all corners of the world are drawn to its twin towers, which are connected by high-level walkways and provide breathtaking panoramic views of London's ever-evolving skyline. These walkways, equipped with glass floors, give visitors a thrilling vantage point from which they can watch the city bustling below or observe the boats navigating the river, offering a perspective that is both exhilarating and humbling. As they ascend the towers, visitors are immersed in the history of the bridge through exhibitions detailing its construction, the technological advancements of its hydraulic systems, and the societal impact it has had over the years, making the journey not only visually stunning but also intellectually enriching. The bridge itself becomes a dynamic storybook, narrating tales of an era where industrial innovation met artistic ambition, forever etching its place in the hearts of those who experience it. Beyond its historical allure, the Tower Bridge exhibition provides an interactive dimension, allowing tourists to engage with the past and present through multimedia displays and hands-on exhibits that reveal the inner workings of the bridge's mechanisms, including its bascules, which lift to allow the passage of tall ships. This feature is particularly fascinating, as it connects visitors to the living, breathing aspect of the bridge as a functional piece of infrastructure that continues to serve its original purpose over a century after its completion. Walking across the bridge is a sensory delight. The sight of the glistening Thames, the sound of distant bells chiming from historic landmarks, and the feel of the cool breeze against one's skin create an immersive experience that transcends mere sightseeing. The vibrant cultural tapestry of London unfolds before one's eyes, with landmarks such as the Tower of London, HMS Belfast, and the Shard forming a breathtaking backdrop, while the steady rhythm of river traffic serves as a reminder of the city's unbroken connection to its waterways. The bridge's proximity to these attractions makes it a focal point for exploration, as many tourists pair their visit with a stroll along the South Bank or a guided tour of the Tower of London, further deepening their appreciation for London's historical and contemporary significance. For those who visit at night, the bridge transforms into an illuminated spectacle, its lights reflecting off the rippling waters of the Thames and casting an almost magical glow that adds to the romance of the cityscape. Photographers and Instagram enthusiasts find endless inspiration in the interplay of light and shadow, the juxtaposition of old and new, and the sheer vibrancy of the location, making it one of the most photographed landmarks in the world. The bridge's enduring appeal lies not only in its physical beauty but also in its role as a symbol of London's resilience, progress, and creativity, embodying the spirit of a city that has seamlessly blended its historic roots with modern innovation. For families, couples, solo travelers, and history buffs alike, Tower Bridge offers a multifaceted experience that leaves an indelible mark, inviting them to become part of its ongoing story while taking with them memories that are as enduring as the bridge itself. Whether it's marveling at its towering spires, tracing the intricate ironwork that reflects the craftsmanship of a bygone era, or simply standing still and absorbing the ambiance, Tower Bridge serves as a bridge not just across the Thames, but across time, connecting people to the essence of London in a way that few other landmarks can achieve. Please subscribe, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.